So what's up, guys? What's up? Good morning, guys, wherever you are. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So welcome to another day in the life of a female forex trader living in Nigeria. So yes, guys, my name is Mira Forex and I'm documenting my forex trading journey here on YouTube. So if you're first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So yeah, today, guys, welcome to another day in my life. And how has the week been? We've been learning a lot this week, and some of them have come to resonate with me, and something that I can see that shout out to myself is that finally we scrapped out a trading plan. It's something that I've been struggling with a lot, because those, like, when I was trying to get a trading plan, I would be like, should I include my analysis, the things I'm supposed to be doing in the chart? Should I, like, it was so much. But I think I had this moment where I self-reflected with myself. I was like, girl, like, what is trading plan? This is something you're actually looking for at the end of the day. So my trading plan, I call it condition, stage, and execution. So the condition now is that I've now seen that I'm paying more attention to the market structure, that's the order flow, institutional order flow. So I'm trying to follow the order flow, which is, the condition is we are bullish, and the stage is I'm anticipating for price to come back to a discount before I take a trade, and the execution follows after the stage. So that's what my trading plan is like: condition, stage, execution. So, and things I'm finding out that in the losses I'm taking is either that I'm not obeying the stage, or my execution criteria are not met, or that I'm going against the condition, which is I have to make sure that the condition aligns, the stage aligns, and then before my execution as well, to make sure that my criteria is aligned. So yeah, that's what I've been working on, and my forecast is getting better. But most times I think we are still sucking at entry. Yeah, so I'm giving you guys updates how it's going. Yeah, so that's literally what I'm doing, and so far so good. Something else I've learned I wanted to show you guys is should I say, power of reevaluation. It's actually interesting how ICT himself, let me show you guys this, how ICT himself will always tell you that it's important to actually sometimes reevaluate. So let's go into the system so I can show you guys why I use this opportunity to, like, actually appreciate content creators and video editors, because those people are really trying. Because, do you know, most times thinking about how you're going to edit the videos or how you're going to put things together, we even want to make you stop to create content. But this year, remember what I said, we're gonna find a way. There's always gonna be a way. So literally what I wanted to do was to actually do a video why my face is showing and why what I'm saying on the computer is showing. I actually tried it before on my system. I did it, but this time around I can't literally find out how that happened. Maybe my brain didn't actually store something that works, because I'm reading an Atomic Habits book. It said that your brain disposes the one that doesn't work and stores the ones that work. So guess my brain didn't store that one. So guys, let's just go into the system, so I'll show you guys what I'm trying to say. So first of all, I say things that have been changing for me is following the market structure, order flow, power of reevaluation, and also inverse fair value gap. So looking at this USD, I normally, so this morning, every time now, I normally try to see the trend, and I say that the trend is going up. And before this happened, so there's something I learned, which is that most times those lows, like after I did my IPDA data and other analysis, I found out that most times price don't go to those particular highs or lows you're expecting them to come to. So if you can see now, what I found out is that, what I learned is that price took out this low, hits, induced liquidity up, finally came down and took out this low, and then went up. As you can see, price was now reacting to this breaker block here. So my Monday forecast was okay, seeing that how price is respecting this breaker block, there's something going on here. So at the end of the day, we're looking forward to reevaluation to go up, to be taking out all these highs, reevaluation to be taking out all these highs, to be taking out all these highs. Because if you do IPDA data, these are the lows you'll be expecting. That's 3 months lows for price to come take out. So these are things that I found out that are so key. And if you look at like, this wasn't showing properly here in the Euro USD, but if you look at DXY, this is what I learned in DXY. So looking at DXY here, looking at DXY, when price was re-evaluating, I learned this thing in DXY. So looking at this here, price was doing what's going up. So I was thinking that we're still going to go take out those highs, but I learned that most times price don't go for those highs. So we have this imbalance here, and we also have this relative equal highs here, which is a swing high. So what is it now? You can see that this is a really draw on liquidity. That's this fair value gap and this imbalance here. And if you can see again, let's just go down here so you can see what I learned from this place. We have this fair value gap here. So those times when you see that price don't come down to fill this inefficiency, because remember, price is algorithmically driven, which is that price is hunting for liquidity and price is filling in liquidity. That's imbalance, and also sell stops and buy stops. That's old lows and old highs. So looking at this place now, you see that price created this imbalance. So that price has offered buy side but hasn't offered sell side. But if you look at this place at the sell side curve, you see that price actually offers sell side here and left an imbalance, and price closed above it, and you can see how price is just rejecting off on this. So what is your brain going to tell you? So what I learned is that there's something they call inverse fair value gap. That's the CE of this fair value gap was what was keeping price to the upside, which is from this high to this low. You have the 50%, that's the equilibrium, that's the CE of that candle, of that fair value gap. So at the end of the day, that's what you're looking forward to. So as you can see, price was just consolidating. So now this fair value gap that was resistance is now acting as support. So you get it. So now at the end of the day, things that I learned is that generally price must not take out those lows. So now looking at that again, putting this logic in this place now, you see that we have this imbalance. So I was expecting price to go up. Looking at what price was doing in USD, my mind told me, okay, so this is what is happening. Because one thing is that ICT said that all your trade analysis should be predominantly found to be linked to this higher time frame bias, that's the daily time frame. So from the daily here, you see that we have this imbalance. We have this was a large draw on liquidity, and you know that we're always looking for swing lows and swing highs in the daily time frame, because anytime price takes out a swing low, we are looking at breaking market structure on the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. So now looking at this, we have the consequent, I don't like all these big grammars but we'll be trying our best to be doing this thing. But as far as we just know what we are just trying to see, we have this the high to the low, we have this consequence. So at the end of the day, what we are expecting, we are looking for a displacement. That's if there was a displacement that the candle closed above it, then we'll be looking for this to now act as support to keep price going up. But seeing the way price just went up, hit the midpoint, and just started going down, and then engulfed this bullish candle, then you should be reevaluating to do go low. So most times this market interrelationship is very nice. It's not even most times, it's very nice, because if you don't see what is happening in this USD now, dollar now, you can see that it's not showing very well, and also in euro it's not showing very well. But at the end of the day, you can use the both to correlate and see what price is actually doing. And this was my forecast on Monday, and this is why it's actually good to evaluate. So this was my forecast on Monday, seeing what price did. I took out this low, this that, and as I was saying, price weekly was bullish, but looking closer, using the range, I see that price tapped into the discount, took out swing low, hit another block, and retraced to premium. So our daily range, premium and discount again, is something I've been using as well. And I just hope and feel like you should just, Miss Hannah Forrest just said, she said, find your weapon. That's find what you think is something that helps you in price. Because this week here, I've been trying out that market structure, trying out premium and discounts, and to be honest, it's incredible how those things just tallies. As you I actually like pound yen, but the thing is that pound yen is not really here. Look at where I used that premium and discounts. As you can see, this was my short-term premium, and this was short-term discounts and short-term premium. So you can see price came in, tapped into that other block, which was a 1 hour order block, I guess. Yes, this 1 hour order block, and pushed up. So that's what I've been using this week, and as you can see, my analysis are changing. I'm always drawing this orange arrow for And so guys, that's what I wanted to share with you guys too. Yeah, things that have been working for me this week is just market structures, markets weekly profiles. Yes, I use the high of the week, low of the week. Like if I'm expecting a bullish day, I'm expecting London to create the low of the day, and then New York continuation for the poised buyers that London kills on did. And what else have I been using? Daily markup. Yes, daily markup. I've been using the weekly. That's one shot, one kill. It's not that I'm trading the path, I'm trading the model, but I use it as a confluence to stack up. That's if Monday should create the high and Tuesday takes out the high of Monday, I'm looking forward to selling down. And if you should do a break of market structure to the swing high period to the. So guys, that's literally what has been working for me, like using, and also top-down analysis. That's why you see me, I wake up as early as 5 o'clock in the morning, because what am I trying to do? I'm trying to forecast the market to get to know what the markets will do in time, so I can be relaxed and know what I'm anticipating in the market. So that's why I do wake up as early as 5 o'clock. And also why I trade just three major pairs are just because of those pairs are what I've seen and done my research, and I saw that those pairs has the high should I say, they tend to produce my setup frequently more than other pairs that like JPP USD are very volatile. And as a developing student, I think I need to be able to control my mental and my physical capital, which is the most important thing for me to be able to stay long in the game. That's longevity in the game. So yeah, so like this week, that's how the week has been for me. And I'm literally sharing my journey here on YouTube, so I just want to be sharing everything. Like, yes, I wake up early in the morning, and why I do that is because I want to be able to forecast the market on time and to know what the market is doing. You guys should just pardon me that I'm always talking about Miss Hannah Forex, but literally most everything I know about my forex trading, about discipline, routines, and everything is I learned from. Okay, even there's this app I use now, Glorify. I use it to actually work on my devotion, pray, listen to the Bible, and also meditate. Apart from the meditation I do in the morning on my own, to actually self-reflect on what am I aiming to achieve today. So those are the reasons why I wake up on time to forecast, and so I won't be shocked towards what the market is going to do later on. So guys, one thing I lack again is focus. I found out that my forecast is good, my entry sucks, but my focus is lagging, and I think it's because of like every time I talk to myself, I feel like it's because of I'm the only one in this journey. I don't have someone else I relate with, because I've been on Solitude for the past should I say 8 to 9 months now, going to 10 months. Like I've been off social media. I'm not really active on social medias. I took off all my pictures and everything, so it's just been something. Then looking forward to coming out at my own pace, because I just don't want to I really want to actually get to know other traders, like people I can actually share analysis we talk with, and I can learn from them. Yes, because I think being on the journey alone actually is making it difficult, and maybe if something I'm supposed to pick from this person, I'm not picking it. So at my own pace, I'm looking forward to actually coming out. Yes, but what else? I think basically that's just all. And something that I have a wish life. Yeah. Although I'm still working on myself, I'm going, because one thing I've learned is that I love Miss Hannah Forex so much, and every time I watch her videos, I'm not just going there to watch her lifestyle or just to reach or to get. I am always looking at what she's doing. You get? I'm not copying her, but if I want what she has, I have to work hard and get what she has. Okay, I don't have somebody that is disciplining me, do this, do that. I have to always remind myself that if I want this thing, I have to work hard to get this. Okay, so as little as what type of indicator she's using, like 330 highs, those are the things I pick out, and her analysis I actually look at them. Although she was someone that traded pattern and this, I don't compare myself, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to actually relate. She's somebody I respect so much, you get, and most times when I get her comments, replying to my comments on her page, I feel so happy. So enough about my mentor and somebody I love so much. I just want to say, this journey I'm beginning to enjoy, and I just want to tell somebody out there that this journey is not something you should just want to be successful overnight. Yes, that's what I'm learning, and it's just something with time. Everything just clicks. Before I say this, Oh my god. So guys, I'm just gonna end this video today because literally we don't have lights. The light has been bad. So I'm just gonna dress up. I got like, should I say, a mini office I created for myself where I actually go study, and also I'm going to be working on the videos you guys are watching now. So my to-do list, I just finished doing. Do you know one thing I learned? Do all these forest traders, do they even wash plates, or do they even do house chores? Because me, I do house chores. Oh, because I've not seen them showing where they're washing washed plates. I did house chores, and yes, I'm gonna be going to that place to actually do some work. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and yes, I promised you guys on my Notion template and the video. So it's the video that will be coming up on soon. So guys, thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and yes, stay tuned for more content. Okay, peace.
To go get that phone, enough of the paparazzi.